To get started with the Crypto.com Fiat Wallet, first, you need to download and install the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by following the prompts, which will include providing some personal information and verifying your identity. After your account is set up, navigate to the Fiat Wallet section of the app, where you can view and manage your fiat currency balances. To add funds to your fiat wallet, go to the deposit section and select your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer or credit card. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process, which may include entering the amount you want to deposit and confirming the transaction. With funds in your fiat wallet, you can now use them to buy cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. To do this, go to the trade section of the app, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and enter the amount you want to purchase. The app will then display the current market price and the total cost of the transaction, including any fees. When you are ready to withdraw your fiat balance, go to the withdrawal section of the app and select your preferred withdrawal method. You will need to enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction, which may take a few days to process, depending on your bank and location. It is essential to keep your fiat wallet secure by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. Additionally, make sure to only deposit and withdraw funds from a trusted source, such as your own bank account, to avoid any potential scams or issues. By following these steps, you can easily use the Crypto.com Fiat Wallet to manage your fiat currency balances, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and take advantage of the app's other features and services. Remember to always follow best practices for security and safety when using the app. And do not hesitate to contact customer support if you have any questions or concerns.